What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber engine cover for my G80. Let's get to it. Today I have a pretty exciting install for all of you. Very simple, more on the aesthetic side of things. Kies Motorsports sent me over an engine cover. Let me show you. This thing looks amazing. So a very simple install. In fact, it's just push down and do it. But there's one key thing. On all BMW M cars, there's an M badge on the engine cover, and guess what? It doesn't have it here. So we're gonna have to move it from the OEM to this one and then install it. But to do that, I have to remove a few things that I previously installed in my car. So let's get to it. All right, so if we're looking at the engine bay, you got this strut bar right here that's in the way of the engine cover. The engine's a little hot because I just drove it like a madman. But yeah, so we're gonna have to remove that strut brace to access this. I could take it off, that way I don't damage it. And then we're gonna remove this M badge right here and put that on the new carbon fiber engine cover. So let's get to that. So we're gonna have to remove this M badge, and it should be pretty simple. On the back it has some clips. We just gotta be careful with it, how we unplug it. Hopefully the camera can show you. Yep, there's these little clips right here. We're gonna have to prime out and then put them into the carbon one. So let's get to that. All right, so from what I can see, it looks like there's a few things we're gonna have to remove, a few grommets and a few clips, right? So if you look right here, there's a couple clips on this side that holds the M badge in place. So it's very simple. You just gotta unplug those. And then there's these grommets right here that go into the new one, so that way it could hold into place when you install it back. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these grommets and get them ready to install them onto the new one. Small pick tool, it's very useful. It has a sharp end, but it's very useful to get those clips out. So I'm using this. Okay, so just like that, the M badge just comes off easily. You can see it. Yep, just like that. Yep. Just like that, the M badge comes off. Very simple. So let's go ahead and prep the carbon fiber one and get that one ready for installing these little parts. So on the carbon fiber part, again, it has these slits right here. So if you guys can get a close up of that. Very simple process, right? Right here. And there's these clips that belong on this, and it'll just go just like that, right? Like that. It's already looking good. So let's go ahead and fasten it from the back end. I'm just gonna move the clips inward, outward, and then make sure it's nice and snug, and then put in the grommets that we took off on the other one on these. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so there you have it, guys. I installed these. We got the M badge on right here, and we got all the grommets nice and fastened. Let me show you the grommets and how that looks like. So if you see right here, the grommet is from the OEM into this one, and this is what gets into the engine, so it can be nicely set. So yes, all of them are on properly, and the clips are here, nice and fastened. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install it and see how the final product looks. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this. I can already see the grommets are right here. This is where it rests. So yeah, let's go ahead and install it. There you go. Nicely fitted. Now let's get that strut bar back into place. And Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this install. Again, very simple, very easy, more for the aesthetics. Now my engine bay just looks immaculate with the carbon strip and the engine cover carbon fiber. I'm just excited for it. It's gonna look really awesome at shows. Kies Motorsports, again, Brian and Gary, thank you so much for sending me this over. It's a very easy install, super, it just looks real good, guys. So anyways, hope this brought you value. Drop a DM if you have any questions on my Instagram, or drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you guys soon. We'll see you.